Sometimes your body is tired, but your mind won't stop replaying conversations, planning, and working on tomorrow's to-do list. This meditation helps you release the day so that you can rest and recharge. Take a moment to drop into your body and start feeling where you're holding the tension and happenings of the past day. Is it in your shoulders, in your jaw, in your belly? And as you do that, take a slow breath in, letting it out with a sigh and the sound accompanying it. Whatever sounds want to come, it's very welcome. And one more time, breathe in and release with whatever sound feels right. Notice anything you're still carrying from this day. A conversation, a decision, something left undone. What is still looping in your system? What is still seeking resolution? Can you feel it? Like a weight you have been holding and not yet released. A tension, a clenching, a spinning in your head. Just take a moment and notice how it looks and feels like inside of you. And see if you can set it down beside you just for a moment to get a better feeling of it, to truly see what it might still need. Like taking off a heavy backpack after a long walk to unpack what's actually inside, and looking at it with curiosity. What's in there that needs your attention? And as it's all in front of you, notice if what you're carrying is yours to carry. Or maybe it was never yours to begin with. Maybe it's someone else's energy. Maybe it's someone else's reaction. Maybe it's something else entirely. Can you get a feeling from it? How do you know it's not yours? And if it's not yours, see if it's okay to let it slide into the earth or up into the air so that it can find its way home. Feel into whatever is left and belongs to you. What does it need from you? And is it something you can actually offer? Take a moment to bring your breath there and your presence with it. Let it know that you can see it and feel it, and offer it to rest until tomorrow, knowing that you will take good care of it while it takes a well-deserved break, while it rests and recharges. For tonight, it can let you carry that weight, that tension, that worry, if it still needs to be with you. For tonight, it can rest, knowing it did its best, knowing that you can take over for the night. Take one more slow breath and let your whole body exhale. And when you're ready, come back into the room with all your senses and notice anything that changed in the way that you feel right now. And if there's anything that wants to be shared in the comments below, in this togetherness that we are creating right now, just let your part speak. Your feelings express themselves the way that they need. And just let this be a place of witnessing and presence.